Hi, welcome to Pollywog Lagoon. Today I have Spiderman joining me, and he's gonna help us open up these surprises inside of these little itty-bitty chickens. I hope everyone's super excited. Let's get started. Spiderman, which chicken do you think we should go with first? He chose the blue chicken. Blue is one of his favorite colors. And let's see what's inside. A little green plastic egg. Oh my goodness. With orange Play-Doh. Anybody have any guesses on who this is? Is it Ryder from Paw Patrol? Hi, Ryder. Hi, guys. He's got a little bit of Play-Doh on his nose. Which one's next? Oh, of course. He wants to do the purple chicken. I bet because there's a blue egg inside. Let's see what's inside here. Is that red Play-Doh? Oh my goodness, it's Rubble. And Chase from Paw Patrol. Hi guys. I'm so glad you decided to join us. Spiderman? Oh, he's going with the green chicken. The green chicken with the shiny, purpley pink egg. Oh, and it's white Play-Doh this time. What could be inside? Oh, that's Sky! And Zuma! Hi, Sky and Zuma! Yeah, they both have little backpacks. Sky has some goggles. Spider-Man, it looks like there's only one more left, and it's the yellow chicken with a shiny gold egg inside. Pop this open. And bright pink Play-Doh this time. Peekaboo! Look who it is! Marshall! With his fire hat. That is like a fire engine red. And there's one more. Rocky! Rocky has a green hat. Put you guys down here. That was so much fun. I bet there's another fun activity. Count how many of you joined us today. 1, Spider-Man. 2, Rubble. 3, Chase. 4, Zuma. 5, Sky. 6, Marshall. 7, with Rocky. And 8, with Ryder. 8 of you came and played with us. Thank you so much for joining. And we had such a great time. If you want to see more fun videos that are to come very soon, please subscribe. Bye-bye.